Afrika. Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique, South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Angola, Lesotho, Eswatini, Madagascar, Mauritius, Seychelles, Comoros, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Ethiopia, Rwanda, Burundi, Somalia, Djibouti, Eritrea, South Sudan, Ghana, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, Benin, Togo, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Gambia, Cape Verde, Guinea-Bissau, DR Congo, Republic of Congo, Cameroon, Gabon, Central African Republic, Chad, Equatorial Guinea, São Tomé and Príncipe, Egypt, Morocco, Sudan, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Africa.